Welcome to our garden tour. Please subscribe.
Look there. Oh. He's hearing it. It's right there, baby, the big one on the top. You hear?
Inside the bee.
Did you see it?
Daddy.
You even have rice on your face.
A bee.
A bee.
Daddy, a bee.
Wow.
Bee.
Bumblebee.
Where's the bee?
But where is the bumblebee? Down there? Look. She's...
It will come on.
Daddy, bee.
Bee, yeah. I think you will.
What's this? What's that?
No more.
Daddy, what's that? That's a bee.
That's a bee.
Daddy.
Are you testing me like
Daddy, another bee.
a bumblebee?
Yeah.
Oh,
Here. Daddy, Adam, here. Here, Adam.
Look, Daddy.
Here.
Bumblebee. Oh no, Daddy. The bumblebee.
Look, that's a big one.
It's a big one.
It will bite you once and then you will no longer be friends.
What's that?
You're scared.
Wow, those bees. Why? Those bees. I'm in a home. I know this bee. You want a home.
They're home. That's the...
Daddy. What's that?
So this is the gate. This is the other side. All the way there. Like that. On the way there. That's the other side of the house. These are the plants. This has yellow flower, but that's just in the beginning of spring. So from this side, the gate, and there, it's just grass and some new planted plants around the fence area there. And then the other side is this. This is the other side. Adam is obsessed with the bee.
Mommy, that's good. Grab the bees, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the bee.
And yeah, so we are still putting something here, but it's gonna be finished probably today or tomorrow. Be careful, Adam. Oh, there are not so many bees here. There are many bees in this. Yeah, so this is our front yard. Yeah, we have new plants over here with the trees. You already seen that in some of the vlogs. And yeah,
It's my bee. Hi, bee.
okay, so update. This is now, and we already put the wood chips right halfway, like complete here, but on the back of this pink bush, it's still need a new wood chips, and also this all the way there. Okay, there's the car. So yeah, that's how it looks like now in our front yard. So yeah, this is the front yard from the gate, and then the other side is that way. Yeah, nothing much on the other side, just this will have like orange. This bush will have orange flower soon. This one I can't show you because it's already bloomed back on beginning of spring. So all this one. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Adam, I thought you wanted a photo. yeah, this is it. This is the front yard. You guys can see this will bloom flower, the tree, and that one too. Yeah, so these are the herbs area. I don't know how they are called, but yeah, so that's the gate. That's the one I was showing you, and this is on the way to that yard over there. Moving on. Those are chives. This purple flower, the one. See, those are chives.
Purple one's called.
This?
No.
Which one?
No.
I don't know how it's called.
That the bee.
The lavender is surviving. Yeah. Uh-oh. You okay?
He's all dirty.
Ah, yeah. And he's wearing new pants. Look at you now.
Where is the key? You have it?
No? It's the
Adam has it. Did you? Yeah?
It's in the table.
So the lavender, this one is growing nicely back to life. And the others are still trying to survive. They're trying to survive. These are newly planted. The other one as well. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new plant of lavender. And then we have these.
And what about the lily?
Oh, we also have lily on this side. This is the lily pot. This we have a lily pot. This is the lily pot.
Lily like a lily pad.
Yeah, so
Lily like a
this is
lily
our
pad.
new baby. And there is Zoe.
And do you know
And
where
we have
do you know where we can also plant flowers?
roses, and these are newly planted. Twink, twink, twink. And these are plant. Wait, Zoe. And then this way we have the roses, a small rose that is struggling to survive. And this we have I planted it new. So there.
Do you know where we can plant more flowers?
Where?
Here.
She wanted to plant more flower.
Here, and here.
Yeah, but we're gonna remove those and relocate it somewhere else. So yeah, that's it. It's sunset. Yeah, so this is our front yard. This is basically our front yard. We're gonna put different wood chips, a black one like this, so that would continue here until there, all the way here. And this is our path. Say hi.
Hi. And I what?
Now go.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is basically our front yard. It's not done yet, but I'm gonna give you guys a new clip where it will be finished. But I'm just giving you guys this tour now while it's not like nearly finished, because this is disappearing, see? And I wanted to be in the video. It's disappearing now.
Mommy, look what I found.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's probably from the toy. And my roses here is about to bloom some flower. Can you guys see? And this one also has new one. This one needs to be removed. There you go.
Here's your baby tree. Here's your sword.
We'll give you guys an update once it's finished in this side. This will also go. We relocate this because the soil is sinking here. See? So yeah, that's everything. And this is our space in here. So you guys already see this new plant over here. And our strawberry plant box. It keeps growing and bushy. So there it is. And then on that side we have this. It's about to bloom some flower as well, as you guys can see. This is growing so nicely. And that and this. And then the other side is this. I don't know what's happening with this one. Yeah, so I don't know what's happening with this one. This one has nice flower, and that one is growing as well. On this side, this is the flower of this one. It's a tiny little white, and those things are growing nicely. This one is barely. This one I don't know exactly, but it has flowers as well, but I put it here anyway. And we have these and that one, and the other plant bags. We have the vegetable area, tomatoes, cucumber. This is peas. It's just one. It's from Zoe from school. So those are cucumbers, I think, if I'm not mistaken. We have bell peppers, 4. We got, I'm not sure if this is eggplant or broccoli, but we also have there sprouting. They are sprouting, this one. Here is broccoli and broccoli and eggplant. So you guys can see those small little things. I don't know which one is which. Yeah, so that's the other plant bags. In this side we have this one surviving, and we have this one. It's white but it's disappeared. I don't know why, but see, it's blooming new flower in there. And this is the other one. I don't know the name of them. It's nigra. It's nigra. It doesn't have flower yet, but this one is, I forgot. Hakuru nishiki. Hala, this is Vrba japonska. Vrba japonska.
Vrba japonska. No teda.
This one. This one I don't know the name. Do you know the name of this?
No.
I also don't know.
There's just so many.
And this I don't know. I don't know. This is Bristol ruby. Bristol ruby. This is Bristol ruby. This is, I don't know. This I also don't know. I don't know anything here. And this is Bristol ruby. This is another Bristol ruby. And then it continues there until here. Until the end over there. And here is fruits. Apple. That's apple. Another apple. Another apple. Apple. Honey, what is this? Is this cherry?
Huh?
This is cherry.
I think it's I'm not sure.
We are not sure about this one, but this one is fruit. This one is also fruit, right? This is also fruit, but we are not sure what is that. Pear?
I'm not really sure.
Yeah. We don't know.
Maybe it's cherry.
And this one is more like apple, right?
More
Everything.
apples here, yeah.
This is apple.
See, there is no.
Yeah, see, there are many now. And this one is, what is this?
Maybe nectarinka?
Nectarinka.
I'm not sure.
Nectar. See, it has fruits there now. It's growing. And this one is the same as that one. So yeah, this is our other side. That it's all finished. We clear up the other side here, so the grass will not grow. So see, as you guys can see, it's nicely done here now. I dig it up, you guys. I was the one that dig it up. So I forgot to show you. There's that white flower, but I don't know what's the name of that. So yeah, wait, what is this? I don't know what this one is. Yeah, so it's all the way there. See, it will also have flower now. This and this side of the fruits, we have this side. This is newly done as well. See, this is that red currant, and see, I've done it. I finished this one all the way until that side. Oh, we have still have this. So here, those, the same, and that one. Honey, oh, this one is, what is this? It's from the rain. The others are falling down. Yeah, so these are the other fruits. Red currants, this one. So that's the other side. And we have the play area here. You already see that. So this is the view, the cabin from here, and the sand pit. The sand pit which has grass. So yeah, there it is. You're probably wondering why I'm taking pictures. So this, so there it is. The other side, we have sand pit. I'm gonna clean that up. And look, guys, so it's finished now. See, I did all the work in here. Did you guys hear the birds? So it's finished. We just need to add more wood chips here. And it's from here all the way there on that corner. I dig all of that to put wood chips so the grass won't grow as much. So yeah, there it is. It's the whole thing. And then here is on the backyard. It's not clean yet. We're gonna put more plants on there on that side. Probably plant boxes in here on this side. And we're gonna have to get rid of this. Yeah, so that's the next step. But this one is cool, beautiful. Oh, did I show you guys this side done? Look at so many blueberries here now. Yeah, everything has so many. Okay, and then here I'll show you in this side. This is around the trampoline, yeah. So we have these. And these are, I don't know what actually is this, but it will bloom some flower. It's more like in the class of a succulent, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. But it looks like that. Like, see, we have like succulents here growing everywhere. This will have flower just like last year, but I don't know if we'll have any this year. So this one is growing. It's just spreading everywhere in this side. I cleaned it already yesterday, so there we have that and one blueberry right there. So that's what we have in this side. It's more like succulent and fruit. So we have these. We just put that there, and then blueberries. This is the biggest blueberry we have. This also bears like really big blueberry fruit. Hi.
Welcome to my restaurant. What would you like? Here's the menu.
She has her pretend restaurant here, and there's the menu. What do you guys want? What do you guys want? A coconut. They want a coconut.